Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to start with new topic. The name of our lesson is parts of speech. Correct? What is the name of our lesson? In 4th standard we have studied 8 parts of speech. In first lesson of 4th standard we have studied what? 8 parts of speech. Now what are these 8 parts of speech? Here it is told that a sentence or a language, now which language? English language. A language is made up of a number of sentences. Language is made up of what? Language is made up of number of sentences. These sentences contain many words. या सेंटेन्समध्ये काय असतात? खूप सारे शब्द असतात. These sentences contain many words. Each word has a different name according to the work it does and how it is used in the sentence. These different names of the words are called parts of speech. What is parts of speech? Here it is told that the different names of the words, the different names of the words, the different names of the words are called parts of speech. What they are called? They are called parts of speech. Now what different names are given? There are 8 different names. How many different names are there? Total there are 8 different names. For what? There are 8 different names of the words. Now which are those that we are going to study? The 8 different names are noun, pronoun, third adjective, fourth one is verb, fifth is, now first 4 over, this is group, this is one group. Now second group is what? Adverb, sixth one is preposition, seventh one is conjunction, and the last one is interjection. What is last one? Interjection. In this way there are total 8 parts, or there are 8 different names of the words. Now noun is one type, pronoun is another type, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. There are how many different types of names? There are 8 different types of names of the words. Now what this names of the words? They are divided according to the words which we use in English language. Okay. Now nouns. First one is noun. Now what is noun? The noun. Okay. Here it is told. A noun of a the noun is what? It is a name of the person, place, animal, bird or things. Names of anything. Okay, names of people, names of animals, names of birds, names of places, names of things. Such words are called what? Such words are called nouns. Okay. Now second one is pronoun. Pronoun. Now pronoun is what? Pronouns are words which are used instead of noun. Correct? If I will say, for example, if I will say Aditya is a good boy. Understood? Now Aditya is what? It is a name of a person. So it is what? It is a noun. Now instead of Aditya, if I will say he is a good boy, he is what? He is pronoun, and I have told you pronouns. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Understood? Do you remember what in 4th standard we were singing? Correct or not? I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Me, us, you, him, her, it, them. Do you remember? Those are what? Those all words are pronouns. Pronouns are words which are used instead of noun. आपण ज्यावेळेस कुणाचं नाव घेत नाही, व्यक्तीचं नाव घेत नाही, आपण काय म्हणतो? तो, ती. करेक्ट? ते, त्यांचे, तिचे. These words are what in Marathi? They are pronouns. Correct? And in English what we say? He, she, it, its. Correct or not? Theirs, themselves. These all words are what? These all words are pronouns. Next part of the speech is adjective. Now adjective is what? The adjective is such a word which tells more about, which says something more about a noun. Noun बद्दल माहिती देतं, जो शब्द जास्त माहिती देतो त्या शब्दाला आपण काय म्हणतो? adjective. Which tells more about noun, that word is known as adjective. What they are known as? They are known as adjective. After adjective is verb. Now in a sentence, let it be any sentence, the sentence which have words which tells about the action in the sentence. What action is done by the subject or what? The doer of action. Correct? If I will say students, for example, okay, students are playing on the ground. Now what action they are doing? They are doing action of playing. So playing is what? Playing is verb, and verb is in 4 forms: play, played, played, playing. There are 4 forms of verb. If I will take another word, walk. Correct? If I will say he is walking, or he is walking on the road. So walk, W-A-L-K, walk. Walked, W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. W-A-L-K-E-D, walked. Third form. And last form is what? Walking, W-A-L-K-I-N-G, walking. There are some words they don't change. First 3 forms of words do not change, like cut, 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 cutting, put, 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 putting. Here 3 forms are not changing of some words. Okay, so in this way the words which tells about a action, those words are called verb. Verbs are which words? Verbs are action words. Next one is adverb. Now what is adverb? The adverbs are those words which say something more about a verb. Adverb tells more about what? It tells more about verb. And we have studied, I think so, adverb lesson in 4th standard. It tells more about verb, it tells more about adjective, it tells more about another adverb. Are you understanding? Adverbs are which words? Adverbs are those words which tells more about verb and which tells more about an adjective. Those words are known as adverb. Next one is preposition. Now what is preposition? The prepositions are those words or a word which shows relationship between nouns or pronouns. The words which shows relationship between nouns or pronouns, nouns and pronouns or pronouns, they are called what? Preposition. Now which words are prepositions? Upside, downside, under, beneath, below. Such words are known as prepositions. Understood? It shows about, it tells close relationship between nouns or pronouns. Okay. The next part of the speech is conjunction. Conjunction are those words, or it is a word which joins 2 words or 2 sentences. Conjunctions are which words? Conjunctions are those words which joins 2 words, like for example and, he and she. Correct? And is what? Conjunction. More examples are what? Here it is told, I play cricket and football. And is what? And is joining two sentences or two words. The words which joins two words or two sentences together, such words are known as conjunction. And interjection, last one. Interjection are which words? Interjection is a word which express sudden feelings. When we express sudden feelings, in previous chapter we have studied about exclamatory sentence. Interjection words are used in exclamatory sentence. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेन्स आपण शिकलो की नाही क्लासेस ऑफ सेंटेन्समध्ये. इंटरजेक्शन शब्द अलास, हुर्रे और हुर्रा, ब्राओ, then which oh, ouch, such words are what? They are interjection words. They are which words? They are interjection words, and interjection words are used in exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences have what? They have exclamation mark. How is exclamation mark? Exclamation mark is in this way, one big line and then dot. So in exclamatory sentences, which words are used? Interjection words are used. In this way, in more detail, we are going to study about 8 parts of speech. How many parts of speeches are there? There are 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. There are total how many? 4 plus 4, 8 parts of speech. If I will ask you, you should know all 8 parts of speech. Are you getting? And today's your homework is what you have to do. You have to give heading in your English grammar notebook. You have to give heading, lesson number 6, parts of speech, and write down all 8 parts of speech. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Adverb, I told what? Yes, I told adverb also. You have to write down all these 8 parts of speech in your English grammar notebook. And if it is possible, then you can write down what is noun, what is pronoun. If you want, I will send you photo of that page. In last year's 5th standard students, in last year's class, students those who went in 6th standard, they had done project on 8 parts of speech. Project, you had a project, yes or no, before Diwali and before annual exam, before summer vacation. That time they had done what? They had done project on 8 parts of speech. On every one part of speech on 1 page. Total 8 parts of speech on 8 pages. So I will show you, I will send you photo of that page. You can write down definition, what is noun, what is pronoun, what is adjective, what is verb, what is adverb, what is preposition, conjunction, interjection. Okay, do it on time and you can send it on WhatsApp group homework. Okay, thank you.